So the legal map is drawn based on who performs that final act.
That's right. You see countries that authorize the full umbrella, so both euthanasia and assisted suicide. Think of the Netherlands, Luxembourg, and Canada. Their systems give patients an option.
Which might depend on their physical ability, I'd imagine.
That's often a factor, yes. Then you have places that only allow euthanasia. The physician must be the one to do it.
And which countries fall into that bucket?
That would be Belgium and Colombia. And then conversely, you have nations and specific jurisdictions that only permit assisted suicide where the patient must self-administer.
Okay, so that would include Switzerland, which I know we're going to analyze in detail.
Yes, Switzerland is a key model here.
Yeah.
But also Spain, which is newer to this, and 5 U.S. states like Oregon and Washington. So this legislative map is really dynamic, and it shows this ongoing global debate about, where that line is between physician support and direct physician action.